Hey there everyone, this is Kathy with Carnivore Uphill. I come to you daily to tell you about my uphill journey with this carnivore weight loss journey that I am on. If you saw my video yesterday, you know that I went outside and showed you the hill behind my house. I keep you updated daily on my progress, and if this way of eating the BBB&E, which means beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, protocol is working for me. So far it is working for me. It's working very well for me. I started this channel around 5 weeks ago, and I can tell you right now that I have lost almost 10 pounds, and I'm very excited about that because I spent many months in a stall where I just could not lose anymore. So I decided to go on the BBB&E protocol, which means beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. And I also decided to start this YouTube channel to keep me motivated and dedicated to this way of eating to see if it would help me. And it has. It is working. And thanks to you, you guys are a big part of me being able to lose this weight because you are commenting and you're giving suggestions and help. And I appreciate that more than you know. So this morning when I checked my ketones, it was 1.7, and my glucose was 92. So I'm happy with that. I'm doing fine. I'm not on any medications. I've not taken any medications in the past either. So this weight loss journey is completely done with the BBB&E protocol without any drugs at all. So today I want to tell you about how I make my electrolyte drinks. Some of you have asked because during these winter months, it's cold here. Actually, yesterday, if you saw my video yesterday, you saw how I was able to go outside and show you my hill behind my house that I love to walk on when I'm able to. Yesterday was a nice day. I was outside and did a lot of work. Today, though, the temperature is in the 20s and in the teens and even snowing a little bit outside. So I will not be going outside today to walk up my hill. I will be indoors and bring you my video from my office. And it's windy and cold outside. It's even chilly in here. I've got 3 layers on to keep me warm in here. I don't know if you can hear the wind blowing, but it's blowing and it is cold outside. So I'm staying inside today. And I had my hot electrolyte drink this morning, and it sure did taste good on this cold winter morning. So I want to tell you how I make my electrolyte drink. Some of you have asked. I'll give you all of the ingredients and I'll tell you how I make it and let you have the opportunity to try for yourself. Now this is working for me, and I can't say that it will definitely work for you, but it is working for me. So I'll tell you what I am doing. First of all, I start with my large container, 20 ounce, 2.5 cups. And I put my favorite creamer in it. So you do not have to use this, but I'm telling you that it does work for me. And I use this. I first put it into my container. And then I use my frother. It's electric. It works great. I just plug it in and I put it into my cup and froth up the creamer. So it's nice and frothy. I also add my iodine, just 1 drop, not a dropper full, but just 1 drop of this into my hot drink, electrolyte drink, each morning, only once a day. So my morning hot drink includes this Relight. And I'll put a link in the description where you can read the ingredients and see exactly what is in here, but this is what I use, 1 scoop. So in my evening electrolyte drink, I'll use one of these, either the chocolate or the chocolate caramel in my electrolyte drink. Just 1 packet. So one of my subscribers suggested that I put a tab of butter in my evening electrolyte drink. And I tried this yesterday evening and it was delicious, so I believe I'll do that each time. I thought it was great, so I'll be putting this in my evening electrolyte drink this evening. Now another thing I want to tell you about that I have just started putting in my electrolyte drinks, and I will test this out and see if it will allow me to continue losing weight, or if it has any problems at all. I will let you know, so stay tuned. But I have started to add bone broth protein, and this is the brand I use. It's just 1 scoop. I put it in my morning electrolyte drink and in the evening, and I have been testing this out to see if I have any issues with it. If I do, I'll stop putting this in, but so far I'm not having any issues, and I'm going to see if this will work, because I feel like personally that I probably need the ingredients that are in this. And I'll put a link down below in the description so you can check it out for yourself and see if you would like to use it in your electrolyte drink. So my electrolyte drinks, all I do is heat up water in my kettle, and then I just pour it into my 2.5 cup or 20 ounce container, and I froth up my creamer that I use and add these other little ingredients, the electrolytes, and I'm telling you, it's delicious to me. I love it. I have it in the mornings. I think it's wonderful. The evening ones where I put a little bit of butter in it, oh my goodness, that's delicious to me. But I will tell you each day what I eat or drink, let you know if it's working for me. So far, things are working great for me. You know, since I started this about 5 weeks ago, I have lost about 10 pounds, and I'm very happy with that. If I continue losing, I think this will be a great way of eating the carnivore diet, the BBB&E way of eating the carnivore diet. It will work for me, and hopefully it'll work for you too. I want to help you. You guys are helping me. I appreciate all of the comments. I appreciate the subscribers who are just here to help me and allow me to help you. I want to let you know that I will not use AI to create my videos or my images. I watch a lot of carnivore videos now, and unfortunately, I can tell a lot of them are done with AI. And the people don't look, it's not really them, it's not their words, it's not their images or graphics. You can tell it's AI. So I will not do that. I will not show before and after pictures that are AI generated. I won't go get my text from AI. It's all comes from me, from my heart, from my soul to yours. When you ask me a question or give me a comment in the comments, I know they're not AI generated because I can feel what you are telling me. I can feel it come from your heart and mind to my mind. And I appreciate that. I don't think I would respect any kind of AI generated comment given to me in my comments any more than you would respect me showing any AI videos or comments coming from me. I won't do that. It's what you see is what you get. You get my real face, you get my real images, my real food, everything I tell you about, it's all from me. And I come to you each day because we are getting into the Christmas season. We are already in the Christmas season, and there are temptations all around us. There's places to go and people to see, things to do, and it's going to be hard. It's going to be an uphill journey for a lot of us, including me. So I'm doing this every day to keep me motivated and to keep you motivated to get through the Christmas season without gaining any weight, hopefully, and maybe even lose a few pounds. And then we'll start the new year together. You can keep track of my results, what's going on with me, and I would love to know how things are going along with you. I know in January, a lot of people will start a new diet. That's okay. Hopefully they'll join with us and come along and learn how we are doing it and maybe help them to lose weight. But you know, even after January, pretty soon it'll be Valentine's Day with candy everywhere, and we've got to get through that. So I'm here to help, and I appreciate that you are also here to help me. My subscriber list is growing, and I thank you for that. I thank you for everyone who has shared my channel. If you want to look at any of my past videos, I think I have 30-something videos up there now. Just click on my name down below this video, Carnivore Uphill, or click on the share button and share it with any friends that you might have who want to get on this journey, who want to get on the carnivore diet, who want to be encouraged to get the weight off and to be healthy. That's the most important thing. I think most of my subscribers and viewers are probably maybe in the older generation, and we just want to live healthy. We want to be here for our family, our grandchildren, and we want to do that in a healthy way. So join with us and let's do this together and show compassion for each other and a desire to help each other. And that's why I am doing this. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.